All right, hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to try to help you guys fix your infotainment center in your old 2016, or I guess I could say 2014 to 2020 Mazda 3. So I have a 2016 GS version, just a sedan, but they all have this infotainment center here, and there's been some issues with it that I looked up online. So I would like to add a new device, but as you can see, it's just really just laggy, and what's going on right now is I'm not touching anything. And it's just clicking buttons, and it's thinking I'm clicking buttons when I'm not clicking buttons. And anyways, it's turning my Bluetooth on and off, and it's just not working. So what I'm going to try doing is I'm actually going to do a hard reset on this. What you want to do is you have these buttons down here. You have your music button, your nav button, and your volume button here. This also depresses. What you're going to do is you're going to hold all three of these down for, I'd say, around 10 seconds, and then it's going to reset or hard reset the actual tablet itself. So once it happens like that, you can see that you can let this go. All right, so there we go. Did a little hard reset there. Let's see if this actually helped at all. No, it's still doing the same thing. It's actually a little bit worse now. It should be quick and just on the spot. Should be moving exactly wherever I move this. It should be just working the way it should be, but it's not. You know, when I'm clicking things, as you can see, it's laggy. So this is another big issue. The only other thing I'm going to do, I won't do on screen for you guys, is I would pull the battery cable, you know, and just to kind of reset the ECU itself. Obviously, you can't flash the ECU. If you had a actual, you know, computer that you could plug into the OBD2 port, you could probably try resetting that. I do have a buddy who has one, which I'm going to also try. I'll keep you guys up to date, but for majority of issues, this is actually a known problem where these freeze. Doing that and just doing a hard reset is usually going to be your fix. So sorry, this isn't, you know, this isn't showing you that it does work, but if you do have a frozen screen or if this is happening, this is the first thing you should do. And then if you don't have warranty like me, or if you don't have, you know, anywhere to go from here, I would reset your battery, and then I'd also try to get a computer hooked up to it if you can. So I hope this helped for some of you guys. If it didn't, or if you guys know exactly and had this issue and already fixed it, post down in the comments below, because I'm going to try to get this fixed. It's not a huge issue. I can still play the radio and everything, and there's an aux port, I think, down there, which I can still play music, but I can't hook up my Bluetooth, which isn't great. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy. As always, let's play it off with some tunes.